Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to reset the app preferences on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. So all you have to do is simply open the settings on your Redmi Note 14. So tap on settings, and then within the settings, scroll down and select apps. Tap on it, and then tap on the three dots at the top right corner, and from the options that appear, select other settings. Now within the settings, simply tap on reset app preferences, tap on that, and then this window will appear. It will inform you about what resetting app preferences is all about. So it will reset app preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications, background data restrictions for apps. So if you like to reset the app preferences, simply select reset apps, and there you go. You've successfully reset the app preferences on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.